Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fade out audio in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Once you have your audio clip on the timeline, head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Exponential Fade. You'll find it under Audio Transitions, specifically in the Crossfade category. Now click and drag the Exponential Fade onto the end of your audio clip.
It moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet, lose won't have it.
You'll notice that it creates a smooth fade-out effect. To customize the duration of the fade, simply double-click on the transition in the timeline. You can manually adjust the numbers to suit your needs.
Fuse like a magnet, lose won't.
To remove the effect, simply right-click on it and select Clear. And that's it. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.